Did you know that the refresh rate on your iPhone when you are using the Safari web browser is locked to 60 frames per second? For example, here, if I go to this website that shows your screen's refresh rate, right now it is locked at 60 frames per second. Even if I scroll up and down super fast, it does not change. But there is one trick that you can try to unlock the 120 frames per second refresh rate on your iPhone while using the Safari web browser. And this gives you a super smooth experience. For that, just follow me step by step. First, go to Settings, then scroll all the way down to Apps. From here, find Safari and scroll down once again. Now you will see Advanced. Just tap on it and at the end you will see Feature Flags. Choose that and now you have to scroll down until you see an option that says Prefer page rendering updates near 60 frames per second. Take your time to find it out. It will be somewhere near the bottom of this page. Just turn this option off. By the way, if you mess something up here or turn any options on or off by mistake, you can simply scroll all the way down and tap on Reset All to defaults. This will clear any changes that you have made. Now I have turned that option off, which was limiting the refresh rate to 60 frames per second while using Safari. I will go to that website again. So finally, now it shows 119 frames per second, which means I am using my iPhone's display to its full potential while using Safari. What do you think about this trick? Let me know in the comments. By the way, it will drain a bit more battery, so just keep that in mind and you can always turn that feature off. Do check it out and do not forget to subscribe. With that said, I will catch you in the next one.